Okay, figured the video. I got a Schlage keyway here. Home early from work. AC went out at home, so I'm waiting on the AC guy to get here. And I don't know what it is with air conditioners, but it went out in the work van and now at home. So I think somebody's cursed me and wants me to stay hot. But I figure while we're waiting on this guy, we'll pick some locks. It says a 5-pin, don't have a key for it. Should be all standards. One. Three, 4, and 5, and it's open. Man, it's hot in here. Okay, let's go ahead and get this bad boy. So I don't have a key, so need to make sure not to lock it up. Let's see here. There we go. I believe all 5 pins in there. Yes. All 5 are in there. And let's see, there's... Oh, that's serrated on top, looks like. I'll have to look at that again. I know nothing's been done to the plug. I really think this was all standard. Okay, yeah, I looked at it wrong. I was fixing to say, I'd be surprised if there was anything in here other than standard pins. One standard. Two standard. And I figure while I got it open, I may do a little modifications to it. Another standard. I gotta finish getting Stinsy's locks together. I've got a few, still gotta get a couple more. And standard. Well, here is this leg keyways, all standard lock. Like if anyone knows me, They know a challenge lock or a standard lock. I enjoy picking them all. So I'll pick a standard lock and challenge lock. Doesn't matter. But as long as I get to pick it, I am a happy camper. So there's the pins for this one. As always, be good, be safe, be legal. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Be good, be safe, be legal. And let me see what else lock I got around here I can do. I'm running out of locks. I'm going to make a video on some locks here. I need to trade some off. So have a good one, guys. Thanks.